Are you Evan? Alright. Let's put Gretchen up and then Evan. Sorry about that, Evan. Gretchen, everybody. Gretchen.
Apologize, I was actually trying to find a cop drop, not a promoter who wants me to suck dick in the parking lot. I swear. How y'all doing? I'm single for the first time in my life. Somebody's gonna have to explain this dick pic phenomenon to me. Like, ladies, maybe you can explain it. Am I supposed to be impressed? If you're gonna try and impress me with your cock, you're gonna have to teach it to vacuum. Maybe cook some dinner. Hell, teach it French. I don't get it. I don't think I'm ever gonna get it. The worst, I got my first dick pic. And all I could think was, that's not even his real junk, right? Ladies, I think what we ought to do is band together, go out and find the real owner, and date that guy. I'm from Florida, the state of Florida. Before that was a felony. So, theme park shit just doesn't impress us. Like, no, I don't want to go for a ride on your clit line. Your simplest safari adventure, I'm gonna pass. At least, guys, if you're gonna send them, get creative. I want you to just make a life-size model of it out of origami. If it's got 10 to 12 folds, we can talk. If not, let's just cut out the middleman and you can go fuck yourselves. I'm just Gretchen. You can find me at GretchenComedy.com. Thank you for bearing with us on Lois tonight. Have a great night.
Give it up for Gretchen, everybody. This was actually her Make-A-Wish.